everyone, I'm Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is my Tesco food shop haul. I had a bit of time, so I went into store and walked around and got what I needed. I absolutely hate going into store to do my food shop. I much prefer to do it online and just click and collect it, but had a bit of time, so we did it that way. The meals that I've already planned in for this week, so I like to plan my meals in and then buy my food shop from that, is spaghetti bolognese with veg, salmon, new potatoes and broccoli, chicken in like a creamy sauce, which is from the Joe Wicks book. I will show you. Chicken breast with herby cream sauce on page 44. Another chicken meal, which is from the Pinch and On book. I actually don't know how you pronounce this, but it's that on page 97. So I'm going to cheat, I'm just going to chuck it all into my slow cooker. And then the final meal that we're going to have is like this giant pigs in blanket. Dan got it from the butcher's with some chips, fried egg and baked beans. I tend to only stick to doing meals for like 5 days during the week, just so that I'm getting through all of my fresh stuff before, before it goes off and goes to waste. Obviously, as we went round, we picked up stuff that wasn't on the list, and we spent a grand total of £83.32p, and there's not, and we don't have any meat or fish on this either. We like to buy our meat from the butchers, and we also like to buy our fish from the fishmongers. So I will be buying the salmon later on this week from the fishmongers, and then I will need to buy some chicken breasts from the butchers. I'll just now show you what I picked up on today's food shop. So this is all the fresh stuff. I got some leeks for that chicken and creamy sauce dish. Baby spinach also for that chicken. Broccoli, green beans, celery, some bananas, only 4 because we've still got some left in to eat. Fresh peppers, brown onions, a bag of carrots because I like to snack on these as well. Some Mary's Piper potatoes, these are £1. Some British baby potatoes, imperfectly perfect apples, some conference pears, I think these were 89p, blueberries and raspberries, I like to have them with this yoghurt, some easy peelers, tomatoes, plums and some mushrooms. I also picked up a staple of semi-skimmed milk and a big pack of Pepsi Max Cherry. These are on offer at the moment at £7.50. So I got some Muller Lights, smooth toffee, these are on offer at £2. I got some honey roasted ham, I just like to snack on this and probably pour it into an omelette. Some passata, tomato puree, the Freddos are on offer at £1. Some Tunnocks caramel wafers, absolutely love these. Kit Kats, these are on offer as well, I think they're £1. Some Hovis wholemeal bread, 15 eggs, these are not free range eggs. Some of the Tesco's version of Lurpak, so they're butter pack spreadable, 50% fat, 50% less fat, soft cheese, some Sunbite sour cream flavour, these are on offer, I think they're £1.25. I just got a few bits, one of those token things to put in a trolley, some nail brushes, but I'm not going to use them for my nails, I'm just going to use them to get some mud off of my boots. Dan needed some command strips, so he's got them. I got a roll-on deodorant, which is the Dove one. We got some hand soap, which is the Pears original. This smells incredible. This was £2, I think this was £2. Kinder chocolate bars, blackcurrant squash, and then some Vimto squash as well. The Vimto is on offer for £1.15. And then I also got some Alpen bars, Alpen Light, salted caramel. These are on offer for £1. The Fairy liquid, this big bottle here is on offer for £2. Some Listerine mouthwash, also on offer. Some fabric conditioner in Spring Fresh. I usually go for the lavender one, but I fancied something different. Dan picked himself up some deodorant as well. We've got some of the Tesco baby wipes, fragrance-free one. These are just for wiping the dog's bum with, because having a dog that doesn't moll, is nice and fun. We got some toothpaste, some small bin bags for the bin in the bathroom, and then for £3.50 I just picked up a cheap mascara. I'm running out of mascara, so I just went with this one. That is everything. That's everything that we picked up on today's food shop. I did tell you the incorrect price. I had the wrong receipt. I spent £79.34 on what exactly? It doesn't really look like a lot of stuff to warrant that price. But yeah, that's what it came up to. If you know of any cheaper alternatives, any different brands that I can change to, just let me know in the comment section down below. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. But for now, goodbye.